Hello everyone, Swaroop here. So in this video, we'll talk about Selenium certifications. Many people has reached out to me asking if there are any Selenium certification they can do so that they can switch their job, right? Uh, there are no official certifications for Selenium. So whatever certifications, some of the training institutes they are offering, so those are not valid. It is not officially endorsed by Selenium community. So even if we go to Selenium official website, right? So selenium.dev is the official website. So here, if we go to support section here, so let's scroll down and see certification and training. So what they're talking about certification and training, learning how to use Selenium effectively can be a taxing task. There are various companies who offer Selenium training. So what they are saying, learning Selenium may be little challenging. So uh, we can take help from any companies or any trainings which are offered by someone in order to learn Selenium. But in case of certification, there are no officially recognized Selenium certifications available, and the project developers strongly believe that certification is of no real benefit to the individuals or the industry. We are not authorized anyone to offer official Selenium certification, and anyone who claims to offer it is misusing the Selenium project trademark. So officially, there is no valid Selenium certifications. So Selenium is an open source tool. So if you already aware, right? So Selenium is open source. That means whoever is contributing to the Selenium community. So these are the people who are voluntarily doing that. So they're all volunteers. And the new features, whatever is coming up, these are contributed by everyone, people like us. Anyone can contribute to that. So there are some companies which are sponsoring the Selenium project. So this is an open source project. And if you go to the main page of Selenium website, it says Selenium Automate browser. That's it. So what you do with that power is entirely up to you. So primarily it is used to automate web applications for testing purpose, but it is certainly not limited to just that. Boring web automation administration tasks can and should be automated as well. So Selenium is having three components like Selenium WebDriver, IDE, and Selenium Grid. Selenium, if anyone asks what is Selenium, we should say that Selenium is an open source suite of tools to automate browsers. So it is not a single tool. Selenium is an open source suite of tools. So as I showed in the official website, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium IDE, Selenium Grid, three are there, three components. So there are three components of Selenium: Selenium WebDriver,